अभी स्टार्ट करो इंसिडेंट टाइप
फिर से
प्लीज
हाँ ये हाँ
Only one.
ये इंसिडेंट टाइप है ना ये एक्ट लाइक रूट
डिसिप्लिनरी मैनेजमेंट
हाँ डिसिप्लिनरी मैनेजमेंट और इसका पहला मेन है इंसिडेंट टाइप
हाँ गुड गुड
और दिस वर्क्स लाइक व्हाट इज इट चीज बॉल्स
I don't know about something.
okay thanks that's it this works like whatever the incident times you want to it's expensive no you brought it from here
Yes. 140.
yeah you can find some not the same quality maybe but maybe same quality 100 rupees 50 rupees
Recording.
you have money no
I didn't know that.
you didn't know that normal grocery shops you have
Normal grocery food supply.
got it from food city and food city also has this act like a root type let's say company violation employee conflicts attendance and or once you create this one then you have to go to create a you can create a subtype also subtype is already come under main incident type so here attendance related violation subtype is 3 days consecutive absenteeism company violation dress code violation you can create any one also select main or root incident type let's say company policy violation write whatever the subtypes you want under company policy violation got it
Yes.
then corrective actions these are the corrective actions available you cannot create a new one but you can rename it
Okay.
you can have a order or you can make it visible and you can hide it got it
क्या है corrective
corrective actions means whenever let's say whenever grievance sorry this is disciplinary whenever there's a disciplinary you're going to correct it no how you're going to say first warning oral warning or you are giving a warning letter
okay yeah.
Example. One of the sub type was 3 continuous absentees.
yes
So if that sort of disciplinary action is recorded against you, your corrective action could be oral warning.
first warning
Your oral warning has been given to you that okay, this was probably your first time, so it will be recorded and then probably saved it. How it will be done?
what
Saved.
type of
This is corrective action, that what action we have taken.
Yeah,
This
Because
is-
grievance it was just a comment. Here
Yes.
we have standardized.
but here remember these are administrative menu incident type also incident type incident subtype corrective action this is also administrative menu incident reporting if you go to this one this select section is used to report incident the incident can be related to acts such as attendance theft misconduct low performance etc this is where employee reporting incident like recording a grievance these were reporting
user portal no? Yes
user
okay
you can when you are reporting you can have a time and all this automatically coming the 3 p.m. the minute and m can create a incident type here attendance violation 3 days consecutive you have to create these things earlier and maybe reported by or external or internal if it is a internal
select the employee code.
Yes. Details will be come here. I think Renard Smith name, and you can write as incident. Okay, you can write some employee name here. Mike has consecutively
Mike has a fraud degree.
but he is intelligent. Consecutively absent.
3 day consecutive absent.
Absent for I'm not used to the keyboard. Days. Please make an action. Whatever you can type.
Okay.
Incident in other language. What is that? See, when entering the description, incident and incident summary special mark.
What are you saying?
Hold on.
Where are you?
See, read this one. When entering the description, can see it, right? Entering the description to the field incident and incident summary, a special multi-language features can be applied. Multi-language features can be applied, as in Hindi or not Hindi. I don't think Hindi is there. Maybe Tamil and English. I don't know. We have to check from the development team. Therefore, two additional fields, incident in other language and incident summary in other language, will appear just below the incident summary field, respectively, allowing the user enter the description in language other than the English. The feature is enabled only allow multi-language in disciplinary module web configure. You have to make it allow multi-language flag through in disciplinary module web configuration.
Okay.
And check with the development team. I can't remember the whatever the allowed language. That is what says. Let me see more. Incident in other language. Got it?
What are you doing?
And add items. Here you can type add items, means if you go to here, say if there is any item is applicable or applying with that particular grievance. Let's say as example, okay, maybe a little. No, this not for me, this is for you. I can't.
No. Take some.
Okay, say something. Okay, listen. Let's say you are applying a grievance like
He has absent for since 3 days.
okay. In that case, we cannot take any items, no? I'll make another example.
It could be anything, na? That he was disciplinary action could be he is taking mouse out of company premise.
Yes.
Okay, so these
Company
actions,
property.
these items,
Item, which item number,
Let's say
quantity,
this-
reference number.
company company
Seized item is it the same, na?
company policy violation. Let's say here disciplinary can be he is stealing mouse or he is stealing computer, whatever.
Or pen drive or
Yeah,
anything.
whatever.
Okay.
In that case, items are applicable in that case.
Yes, he's taking
Whatever
the
the-
ball out.
Yeah.
Earlier it used to be
Yeah,
very
yeah.
common.
Very common. Even I used to do that in campus and all. That's very funny actually. Even if that item is available, you can write the item. Let's say mouse, mouse, whatever coin. How many mouse he took it? 4 mouse. Reference number is you can have it in laptop. You have the numbers. Whatever you can run. If it is a purchasable items,
Right?
yeah, you can mark it and then advocate whatever the applicable item, respective with regarding to this disciplinary. Got it?
Add item.
And employees involved. Who's the employee you think involved? Got it?
Employees involved.
Involved in this particular discipline. You can search from here and you can select the involved employee, and then you can, if you want any like
Involve है तो अगर नहीं है तो छोड़ दो.
you know, let's say if you have taken a picture or something when he is stealing, you can attach them as well and then submit. Got it?
Okay.
Then manage incident. Manage incident. This is handled by report authorized person will be. See, read this one. When an incident has been reported, once you report the incident from earlier page, authorized person will be alerted through email, and he can view incident through manage incident report. So once you apply for an incident,
If you apply for the incident reporting,
incident
Yeah.
reporting, then
manage incident.
the respective person, let's say you incident person should be supervisor or HR admin, then he can log into the manage incident.
That is what I was. How that configuration happened? Backend.
I think backend.
Which configuration and how?
Configuration is like, as an employee, this can be reported by anyone. Incident. Sir,
Yes.
disciplinary incident can be reported by anyone, not necessarily HR only.
Reporting, yeah, any can.
Reporting can be done by anyone.
I mean managing HR can be.
Managing. Suppose you found out कि somebody is fighting. It is a disciplinary action. You witnessed it. You logged an incident. Who were involved? ये example यही पे है. Employee conflicts, employee altercation. Mr. Peter Pascal reported Mr. Peter Pascal. A fight broke out in the lunchroom over a personal argument. Who was involved? Peter Pascal and the same person. You are entering yourself also as a party because you are saying कि इसके साथ मेरी लड़ाई होगी.
I
And then submit it. तो जब ये
okay.
fight broke out.
Okay. So manage incident. Who's the involved? Dency Bergman. And images. What is the image? Okay, fighting image. Okay. And
Then what? What is use of it?
See, bottom there would be reject or summary, whatever it is.
here this one, if you click the now, okay, I'll go again to the manage incident. You go to this one. Now this is the incident we were talking about. Now we'll take this one, Samantha Pereira. If you want to view his previous disciplinary history, previous history, earlier he has been involved in any other cases, you can view it from here. Earlier disciplinary history. See, earlier there was some history, attendance violation was there. Earlier history, got it? And here summary view is there. Can view a summary view again. Here once you get this disciplinary reported by disciplinary, once you're going to manage it, you have corrective actions, which corrective action means here once you define the corrective actions, those actions will be displayed here. So if you want to go for the corrective actions, you have to select the employee and then go to corrective actions. If you want to reject, it will be rejected. Then you can corrective action you can select from the drop down. Let's say finalized. Action date, you can have a date. Penalty points, if you have any penalty points, if you want to keep marking or keep track of penalty points, you can have penalty points. And let's say if you want to give another comment, you can give the comment. Just go test and comment in another language, same thing, web config flag, and you can submit this one. So once you submitted this one, there any approval, it will indicate that manage incident, it's a pending, so which means a corrective action is pending. So then we have a corrective action process. Corrective action process is, this is a restricted area from normal user. Got it?
Okay.
This will only appear for the active coordinator or panel member who have authority to take the corrective actions. When you ever make a corrective action in manage incident, active coordinator or panel will be alerted by via email, which means in manage incident we just mark corrective action as a finalized.
Yes.
Once you marked as a finalized, whenever you make whatever the corrective actions, actively coordinator or panel member will alert through the email. He will get an alert and they can view and take the corrective action form from here, which means here manage incident, you go there, manage incident and get a corrective actions. Sorry, you have to select the employee, corrective actions. Let's say warning letter, and you can nominate a panel member to make this forward into the whatever the panel you need. So let's say internal, can search a member, selecting this one, member role, let's say head, add to grid. He will be a panel member, and if once he become a panel member, because the manage incident will be handled by admin.
Yes.
Only one or few, maybe I have to check that whether we can give a few people to access. Let's say HR executive is handle this one, or grievance admin will, disciplinary admin will be handle manage incident page. Now he will see that there is a disciplinary has been reported saying that consecutively 3 days has absent. Now he will go to the corrective actions. Now he is assigning corrective actions, saying that warning letter has issued. To follow up that actions, whether to follow up that action, he can assign a nominate a panel member, creating a panel. So panel member can be a head of department or HR head. Whenever he assign any panel member, got it? Whenever he assign the panel member through the manage incident, then panel member has to go to this page
and enter the comments.
Corrective action process. Got it? Only that's why it says only whenever you make the corrective actions, only active coordinator and panel members will only use this page. Got it? Whoever the panel you are assigning from manage incident, this person will be access to this one. So we'll take a record now. Corrective action is already marked, and I don't have here any pending actions actually. So here also you can make a corrective actions warning letter. This action is already completed. Whatever the action corrective action is, you can have it here. Go to warning letter here. So in there we put a warning letter. If you could remember in manage incident. Now you are going to click the warning letter. Now you are saying, does the accused employee accept the warning letter or not? If there is yes, then you can set it yes. If it is not, you can no. Recommendation, if any other recommendation, you can write it here and then save it. And if you want to view the previous warning information, you can view from here also as well.
Means from this we are providing the warning.
First, manage incident. You are providing a got it. Manage incident. So, what is this? Disciplinary reporting disciplinary. Here, once you report this one, this will go to the manage incident. Okay, this is by admin person.
Okay.
Here, admin person. Let's say 3 days absent. Okay, consecutively. Here, manage incident, admin person will issue warning letter here, and he is assigning some person to follow up the whether he has accepted the warning letter or not. Assigning a person, let's say Smith, assigning a Smith, this guy. Assigning a panel. Once you assign a panel member, this guy goes to the corrective action page. This page, corrective action page, corrective action process. Okay, and then only he can go to this page because he is the only guy assigned. Go to that page, and in that page he can see whatever the corrective action has assigned. See, warning letter has assigned. Now he can click the warning letter. Warning letter is assigned here. Here. Now he can see warning letter has assigned. So he can mark whether accused is accept or not. Any recommendation, whatever the details, he can assign and save it. After that, view incident. View incident means this section is to view the incident report against all employees who have access to the disciplinary can incident report against them, which means, let's say that if you have put any incident to any other employee, let's say you have submitted here for this example, Smith has reported incident for Peter. If Peter log into this disciplinary module, if he goes to this page, he can view this incident whoever report for him. Any other incident. See, this section to view the incident report against to the employee.
Okay.
As example, let's say he is reporting Avinish reported discipline to Ajay for you, saying that you are not coming to a 3 days absent. Now, if you go to this page, you will see he has reported the disciplinary for you.
For me. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Whatever the disciplinary has reported for you against you. View incident, and then appeal management. What we can do is here, whenever you make an appeal, that will be disciplinary in appeal management module. Also authorized person will be. So in disciplinary also, once disciplinary action is taken, you can make an appeal. Once you made an appeal, it will display here. See, this will be I don't have a date, so I'll tell you this incident.
Just a minute, what is it? Appeal.
So you are applying for appeal.
Okay.
If it is approved or not, you can see it here. This is actually supervisor page. See, authorized weapon will be selected. Let's say you have appeal one. So let's say you have received a warning letter, but you think that there's no, you have Avinish saying that you are 3 days absent, but you are thinking no, you have came for work for 2 days, not 3 days. 2 days you are only 1 day you have absent. Now you think that he is lying. So in that case, you can apply for appeal.
I am a user. No, user can handle this.
No, not user.
No.
That I'm saying. You can apply for appeal. Once you applied appeal, then this way page go to the supervisor. Once the supervisor logged in, they can see your appeal and they can approve it. Here, approve or reject is there is supervisor. See, that's why it says authorized person will be. See, whenever you make an appeal, whenever you make employee will make an appeal,
it will display to the
appeal managed from, and also authorized person will be alerted whenever appeal has been made. He or she can check appeal through this section. Got it?
In which format it will get alert? Means in
Email.
or something.
Email.
Yeah.
Okay. You have to write that alert.
Okay.
Appeal management and
Who is the authorized person that will be configured? That is what you will tell us or?
tell you thing.
Just 2 minutes.
Incident journal is there. Incident journal can be used to view past record of incident which are ongoing or completed. User can get summary of the past record between particular time period, and he or she can use of selected employee. Whenever employee is recorded, it can be used through incident journal. This is an incident journal. This is for again admin person like HR or someone. They can view the history of ongoing incident and completed incident as well. Let's
Is
say
it like if I have submitted something against someone, where can I see that?
you have submitted.
An incident against someone, where can I see that? Because if you say view incident, that is also not there. You are Leonard. Can
Yes.
you log in as somebody else?
So after finish this one, I'll tell you.
Okay.
Then this is the last part. No?
It's just search.
Okay. Yeah, it's just search
This
actually.
for which incidents is going on and which is
Complete
completed.
like history.
Okay.
This for admin actually. Let's say completed on. These are the completed on. View history. You can do history. More details you can view by selecting this one. Okay. Something else. Okay, we'll take care of this one later. Okay, incident journal. That is end of grievance. So disciplinary. Apply for appeal. So there is no record here. I can't show you. Whenever the incident is reported against you, let's say Avinish has reported against you, then you can go to view incident page, and you can view there whatever the incident report against you,
Yes.
and then there you can make an appeal. In the page will be like this. Okay, if you click this one, there will be a
No, but you see in the help.
what?
Go into the help. Up. Top. Very top. Top.
Mhm.
Second line.
Yeah.
So I cannot see anything which is pending or something. This will only display the incidents which are closed or finalized.
Yes.
So if I log something.
That will come later. This appeal part I will tell you.
Okay. No,
So-
not appeal. Logging an incident.
Yes. For someone else, no, you're asking? That's your correction. Hold that. I just forget to explain the appeal part. That's what I'm saying.
Okay.
So whenever the disciplinary action has taken for you and it's finalized, record you can view from here, view it incident, and then there will be a apply appeal button here. Make an appeal. So once you click that one, this grid will come. Appeal for reason, then you can type a reason and you can submit for appeal. I don't have data, that's what I'm explaining through these screens. And once you applied for that for appeal, then whoever the employee is handling that your appeal, they can log into the appeal management and approve or reject your appeal.
Yes.
Yes, that is I explained earlier. And to answer your question,
Because
no, it's cursor is running. No,
no, that's okay. That's okay.
no, you can't click. I can't click.
You can't click.
एक और गई.
नहीं. क्यों नहीं बोले?
He is doing something.
Who, me?
What? चलती चलती एप्लीकेशन सॉफ्टवेयर क्रैश कर रहे हैं.
Don't do anything.